Technique 1 is weaving palm fronds. I've referred to this technique as weaving, however in some countries you will know it as braiding or plaiting. In this technique I show you how to weave a palm frond into what is called the nautilus style. This refers to the finished shape of the palm frond resembling the spiral of a nautilus shell. The woven palm frond can be used fresh in your designs or dried and painted for a different effect. For this technique, you will need one palm frond for every finished piece you require for your design, scissors or secateurs, and stem tape. Hold the palm frond so that the natural curve is towards you. This is a technique best done while sitting down. Place the cut stem end either between your knees or under your leg. You'll need both hands to do the weaving. We'll be using a basic 3-strand plait or braid, adding an extra leaf for each crossover in exactly the same way as you would do for a French plait or braid of your hair. Start with 3 leaves. Sometimes it's best to keep the 2 most central ones together, one on top of the other. With the natural curve of the frond coming towards you, using the leaf in your right hand, take it over the central one. Now bring the one in your left hand over the central one. We're going to bring in 1 leaf from each side each time we repeat these actions. This is what forms the plaiting or braiding. With the leaf on the right hand side of your plait, bring down the next leaf on this side and place it with the one already in your hand. Take the 2 as one unit and pass over the central leaf. With the left hand leaf in your hand, take the next leaf above and place it with the one in your left hand. Take the 2 as one unit and pass over the central leaf. This is the method of plaiting or braiding from now on. You bring 1 leaf from each side as you continue to carry out the 3-strand plait or braid. As you continue, the plait will begin to curl onto itself. The tighter you pull the plait or braid as you work, the more it will curl around. Continue until all the leaves have been incorporated. I like to finish off the braiding a bit further after all the leaves are incorporated. It gives me something extra to tighten the curl of the full length. Bind off with stem tape. These fronds are great to use fresh. The bonus is that they can also be dried, painted and repainted many times over for your design. I know you'll find many ways to use these techniques in your floral designs. Let me know how you go. I'd love to see some of your efforts. I'm Kim Bailey.